We've seen regular people making a ton of money using AI, but the question is, how do they do it? Well, in today's video, this is what we are going to see. One of the easiest yet most effective ways to create a profitable business that produces monthly income using AI. So let's get straight into it. And so guys, I'm going to show you all the steps needed and all the tools you need to replicate this method, and hopefully you can start making money as soon as this week. It's a literally business in a box and can bring another cash stream to your household. So what we see in front of us is a map that represents hundreds of thousands of people who have joined a specific communities. Yes, we're talking about communities. You're going to see it's pretty interesting. So let's refresh this page because for some reason it doesn't load. But if we go to the leaderboard here, this is Skool.com. We can see, for example, one of my communities is making $11,000 currently, but we can see hundreds of people or tens of people, hundreds of people actually, making 200 and even $700,000 a month. This is in monthly recurring revenue. So the potential is here. It's huge. Now, the only missing part is how you can tap into this market. As we can see, all of these people, these are just different people making hundreds of thousands of dollars on a monthly basis digitally. They don't have to sell a product. They don't have to ship a product. They don't have to manufacture anything. It's purely digital. So the very first thing, what we're going to do is to discover our niche or our topic or field of expertise. For that purpose, I'm going to use a tool called Poppy. Why? Because I here can throw a bunch of stuff about myself, and that's what you need to do. So I'm going to open an AI chat right here. And on the left side, we're going to hook up all the details about you. So you can do voice notes. So I can say here like this. So I'm doing a digital marketing. I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been doing affiliate marketing for 10 plus years. I also know how to write copy. I have some knowledge of video editing. I know how to create websites. So boom, this is a voice note about myself. You have to do the same for yourself. Whatever you're good at, whatever you do, just throw a bunch of voice notes. For example, here I can say something else. My hobby is to hike mountains. I like to swim. I also like to do mountain biking. So stop, boof, another note. Why we do this? Well, the reason being is that we need to feed Poppy as much details as possible about us. And you're going to see why this matters later. Also, I can type text. I can also hook up files about myself, images, PDFs, literally everything about yourself, your resume. You can upload your resume here. Upload the details. Why? Because later, what we're going to do, we're going to ask Poppy to navigate us on what we need to do and how we need to create our own community. So let's do this. And I'm going to show everything. Don't worry. Like, don't stress about it if you're freaking out that you have to create a community. It's not that difficult. I will show you. Hey, so I want you to show me how to, based on the information I provided to you, what type of communities I can create for money. I want to charge people a monthly commission or monthly recurring revenue in order to teach them something, to give them some value about the field of expertise I possess, and obviously they'll have to possess the same, or they have to have the same desire into the same field I am in. So this is it. It's just a long voice note. Now, if you're not into affiliate marketing, obviously I am an affiliate marketer. If you're, let's say you have a hobby, you're even an accountant, let's say you're an accountant, just tell everything about yourself, tell Poppy your accounting stuff, for how long you've been doing accounting, what school have you graduated, etc., etc. So Poppy is going to start giving you these, let me press F, these suggestions. So here, Lane 1, digital marketing and affiliate, your strongest asset, affiliate marketing mentorship, copywriting for affiliates, affiliate website builder club. Ooh, that's a really good one. So from here, I can get a bunch of ideas about my community. And when I go back to Skool.com, I've already created a bunch of different communities. But here, when you're on the Skool page, you can click this and you can click create a new community. And boom, this is it. You just hit create and you can create your first community. Now, the names obviously are going to be taken from Poppy. Just put a name on it. Just create and leave it empty. Don't stress about anything else, because now probably you're overthinking everything, and that was the case with me. Just create a community, name it, leave it as it is. Okay, we're going to come back to fill it out with content later. Now that I have the name of my community, this one, Affiliate Website Builder Club, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to open Claude AI. And in here, I'm going to paste it and I'm going to say something. And by the way, what I'm saying, I'm going to say something, I'm using a tool called Whisperflow. And this tool allows me to dictate, not type. It saves me a lot of time doing that. I'm not associated with this tool. I don't even have an affiliate link. Maybe if I find one, I'll just post it below the video. But I'm using this Whisperflow so I can talk instead of just typing for hours. So here's what I'm going to say into Claude, and I'm going to say this. Hey Claude, I'm creating a new community called Affiliate Website Builder Club. Could you please show me or brainstorm with me what things I can teach and what things I can have in the community to grab people's attention and to give people value in terms of courses, modules, weekly or daily live calls or setups or whatever it might be. Just let's brainstorm some ideas. Boom. This is my text, okay? So if we hit enter, Claude's gonna start brainstorming with you. And again, you do this for whatever profession or hobby you have. It doesn't matter, guys. I'm telling you, if we go back to the leaderboard, all of these people that are making a ton of money, they're not making this money in one industry. They're making them in different niches. Self-improvement into the money niche, into again self-improvement, tech. We have relationships. We have tech. We have again self-improvement. We have, let's see if we have a different one. Money, tech. Well, actually, the categories are right here. All categories. We have hobbies, music, money, spirituality. You can literally make money by using your hobby. It's that simple. I know it sounds too good to be true, but sometimes when it sounds too good to be true, it's maybe because it's true. All right. So if we go to, let's say, health, let's see how much money people are making into health. Look at this guy. $118,000 monthly recurring revenue. This is not one time, guys. Monthly recurring revenue. So, I mean, you don't even need to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. All you need is 10K a month, and that's gonna solve all your problems. You're going to be independent. I'm telling you, 10K is all you need. So this lady, Daniela, detox for people and pets. Look at this is a very simple community, and she's making 10K a month. That's it. This is all you need. Now let's go back to Claude. Claude already started brainstorming with me, so he's going to ask you a couple of questions. He's going to give you a curriculum structure and course structure. Then it's going to give you value propositions, weekly, daily calls and posts, etc. Now you can elaborate. He's going to ask you, like I said, questions, and then you can say to Claude, hey Claude, you're my business partner, ask me a bunch of questions so we can both, you and I, go to a conclusion for the perfect community. This is it. So we hit enter and Claude continues to do the work for you. Now we're coming to the good part, how you attract people to join your community. And in order for you to make money with the community, you have to price it, right? You have to price it. And originally, in my opinion, in my my experience, you have to start very low and then gradually bump up the price. So you can price your community at $5 a month, $5, even $1 a month, or $10 a month. So you can gradually build trust and attract more people, right? But if you're camera shy, because we live in a content economy, we live in a social media economy where if you're not online, you're offline. And if you're offline, it's kind of hard to make money. So I use this tool called Hygiene. And Hygiene allows you to create or to hire yourself. What I mean by that, if you're a camera shy and you don't want to show your face on camera, you can clone yourself. For example, here, this is a clone of mine in Hygiene. And this clone can do whatever you tell it to do. It can move like you, it can talk like you, it can have the same body language like you. It's literally you, but it's not you. Coming back to the accountant example, let's say you're an accountant or you're a coach or consultant, right? You don't want to show your face on the camera, or maybe you have funny accent like I do. Well, you create your own avatar or your clone, and this is how mine look. It looks pretty cool, and as you can see, there are different case scenarios where I can put different background, different setting, different tools around me. So this is all me, but not the real me. And you can see it moves. Let's see if it moves. I can show you. Let's use it here, but I have to type some text. Yeah, you can see like it's moving right now. This is me moving. Obviously, this is me moving. No, it's not moving. Let's see this one. Yeah, podcasting light polo shirt. But you know what's even better? You don't even have to create yourself. If you're, like I said, you don't want to expose yourself. You just go to my avatars and you create just a person that represents your brand or your field of expertise. It's ideally you are the face, but you can use Jake. In other words, there can be another person representing what you do. And then obviously in the Skool community, you have to be yourself. You have to show up for people. Now, there's an example why I'm showing you all of these avatar stuff, because they work. Here's a YouTube channel that generates thousands of views, and this lady is not real. She's the AI avatar. This is called Vogue Me AI. They have 35,000 subscribers, and all they do, or all this person does, is just supporting videos of this AI lady. And this is how she gets traffic to her links and to her websites. So I'm showing you a proof of concept, right? You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a pro. None of that. Literally, none of that. And so the more content you post, the more the algorithm is going to favor you, and the more traffic you're going to get to your Skool community. On the other hand, if you don't want to mess up with free traffic, meta ads. This is what I actually do. So half of the money that you saw here in my monthly recurring revenue, they go for paid media. I create AI ads for my Skool, one of my Skool communities. Okay, and I use Manus AI to create these AI generated ads using my face and my business partner's face. And this is how it goes. So let's say my community is about affiliate marketing. I'm going to upload a picture of me right here. So let's say this one. And then I'm going to upload a picture of one of my awards from ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform, and they give you awards based on your achievement. So if you make more than $250,000 a year, they give you this award. But now the award is here, my face is here. So what I need to do is I need to tell the AI to combine them together and make a very interesting, high converting meta ad with high CTR. CTR stands for click-through ratio. So here's what I'm going to say. Hey Manus, I'm creating a meta ad. I want it to be square because square takes more space from people's screens. Also, I want you to study what a high converting ad means into the financial and marketing niche industry. Take all the elements you've studied, and I want you to create a cool ad, including me, my face that I have uploaded, plus the Platinum Award, and make me so I'm holding this Platinum Award, and actually make it enormous. Make it like I'm barely keeping it in my hands and kind of slipping from my hands because of the weight of this award. So guys, what I've just done here is I kind of created a pattern interrupting image ad. So Manus is going to craft it, but as you can see, my prompt is very cool because it's something unusual. And what people see, when people see something unusual on Facebook or Meta or Instagram, they click. And our intent is to make them click to proceed to our community. By the way, what I'm showing you here is just the second way of the two ways to attract visitors to your Skool community, right? Remember, hygiene, one way. Best ways for you to stand up in front of the camera and start explaining people about your accounting endeavors or mountain biking, mountain hiking endeavors as well. But if you don't want to do it, hygiene is the place. And then you upload it to YouTube, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. Instagram is actually very popular. One of my business partners is very, very popping. He's printing money literally right now on Instagram. He has like, I believe, a million not conversions but clicks, million views. I'm sorry, I didn't drink my coffee today. So yeah, he has a million views on most of his reels. So it's pretty. He's printing money. Just coming back to Manus, Manus already by itself discovered what a good meta ad means. So key psychological elements that he's incorporating: social proof and authority, emotional appeal, visual drama. This is what I want. Visual drama is what we need. Reliability and FOMO. This is fear of missing out. And obviously simplicity. Okay, all of these 6 points are very good. Manus is very good in terms of ads. Why? Because Manus was created by Meta. It's a tool from Meta. As you can see here down below, oops, if I refresh this page again, from Meta. This is it. So the Meta itself created this tool to help you make more money on Meta. Because why? If you make more money on Meta, you spend more money on Meta. So it's a win-win. You win, Meta wins, etc. Let's go. And we have our award, our image. Look at this. That's not bad at all. I mean, I'll probably prompt it a little bit to change it, but Mark Vaudrey, by the way, is my business partner's name. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is me holding the award. It's creating another one, but that's my point, guys. Look at this. It's funny. It's nice. So this is literally you creating a digital product and making recurring money. So what we're going to do from here, I'm not going to go into details about what you need to include in the community. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do another video about it. But probably what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a brand new community, and just it's going to be only for how to make money with the communities. So I'm going to be showing you stuff there, and it's going to be free, or maybe I'm just going to price it at $1 just to filter out people and scammers, right? So just sign up. I'm going to put a link to in the description below. So when the community is ready, I'm going to put it there. So in other words, you're going to see how I can build a community from scratch, and we together we're going to see how we can grow it and how I can grow it, etc. So, and if you want to learn more stuff about how to make money with digital products and communities on Skool, okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's time to just go to Skool and sign up for a community. That's it. I'm not affiliated with Skool, by the way. They're not paying me to make this video, but it's a huge opportunity right now, and the window is closing. It's narrowing because a lot of people currently jumping on Skool. So yeah, go ahead, start executing, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers. By the way, guys, I decided I'm going to actually run this ad on Facebook because it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna let you know in the next video if it's going to work. But instead of me, I'm going to put my business partner Mark. So this is Mark. Let me see if I can show it to you. That's him. So here's what I'm going to say. Hey Manos, this looks amazing, but now could you please put Mark instead of me in the image? I'm uploading his picture right now to the chat, and also remove the $1 million plus earned statement because this is not Facebook Meta compliant. And just like this. And also I'm going to say you can put some arrows or some elements, emojis, or make the image more vivid just to increase the CTR. Oh, there we go. So that's even better. See how he did it. All right, that's pretty good. I'm gonna test it. So there you have it, guys. I do this every single day. I experiment with AI. I experiment with new ads, new angles, new creatives. I record videos. I post content. That's it. I mean, you don't have an excuse nowadays. You have the AI. AI pretty much does 90% of the work, but you're the prompt engineer. You have to prompt it. Yes, it's annoying sometimes because it doesn't work the way you intended, but with time and passion, everything is possible, guys. All right, I'm signing off. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.